ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। श्रीशङ्कराचार्यनवावतारं विश्वेश्वरं विश्वगुरुं प्रणम्य वेदान्तशास्त्रश्रवणालसानां बोधाय कुर्वे कमपि प्रबन्धम्। In Tvampada, there are lot of erroneous ideas, and in order to remove those wrong ideas about Tvampada and really understand what is the Aham Pratyaya actually, Acharya is taking up Aham Pada Vichara or Tvam Pada Vichara to begin with. And we saw three dharmas that were mentioned in the Tika. You remember what are the three dharmas that are erroneous in Jiva? One was Jagradadi Avasthavan. Correct? That one is that I am going through waking dream, deep sleep state. Second one was Alpagnatva. Third was Third one was Parokshatvam is also the Parokshatvam is with Tatpada. Tvampada is Sadvitiyatvam. That I am, Sadvitiya means there is somebody other than me. There is something other than me. This bhava doesn't go away. So that will go only with Mahavakya. But even to transition from Aham Pada Vachyartha to Aham Pada Lakshyartha, Aham Pada Lakshya, this, remember, there is a two-stage transition. First is from Aham Pada Vachyartha to Lakshyartha. Then from Aham Pada Lakshyartha to Tat Pada Lakshyartha. So Jagradadi Avastha is in Aham Pada Vachyartha. So when I do only Aham Pada Vichara or Tvam Pada Vichara, that Jagradadi Avastha itself means Aham Avasthavan. I slept very well. This is error. I woke up early. This is also error. So I have to constantly remember this, and such thoughts when they come, I have to, with conscious effort, I have to negate them. That no, this is not me. The one who slept early or woke up early or didn't sleep well, or I had this dream. All this is for Vachyartha. Means either I am Vishwa Taijasa Prajna, all are incorrect because I am na Anta Prajna, na Bahish Prajna. Then second one was Alpagnyatva. That I know only this much, I know only, this is also in relation to Buddhi. So this is also for Vachyartha. You know where this came. This was on page 11 in Tika, 6th line from top. And third one was, I am karmavashya, means I am under the control of karmas. Good prarabdha is there, I am in Rishikesh. Bad prarabdha is there, I am in Rishikesh, whatever. All of that is jivatva dharma. Actually, this is what I have to consciously remove. Let us say you study all prasthana, prasthantraya, brahat prasthantraya, everything. But if these ideas don't go away, then I am Jagrad Avastha Abhimani, I am Alpagnya, and I feel inferior if there is somebody who has more knowledge, or I feel superior when there is somebody who has less knowledge, means I am still ignorant. I am still identifying with buddhi upadhi very much. And I go on worrying about how my prarabdha will be and which graha is where and what. That means I am dependent upon the karma. So those things should not bother me or obsess me. Understood? And this thing, this is the key actually. For realization, this is where you have to hit hard. So, any such ideas like I am tall, short, I am young, old, man, woman, healthy, unhealthy, whatever ideas they come, that's where I have to be alert. Because we see, most of us, we live all alone. We don't tell things to people. But at least we entertain such thoughts. Those thoughts itself, themselves, we have to cut. And we have to also see that there is adhyasa in all this. This adhyasa nivritti, if it doesn't take place, then avijñate pare tattve shastradhit istu nishphala. Not knowing the truth, all this Shastra Adhyanam has not yielded its result. So, our main objective should be to eliminate these ideas. So, you have to be aware of this as much as possible. I know, see, the different students, sadhakas will be in different stages of sadhana. Somebody might say, right now it is time for me to memorize Laghu Sutras. And somebody say, no, right now it is time for me to do more japa and puja. And somebody says, I just want my solitary time and all. But remember, none of this by itself is going to remove the adhyasa. Conscious effort, actually that is really called nididhyasanam. A conscious effort to remove the wrong notion. And here these three are only given as sample, but actually we should think of what all wrong notions we entertain. And each we have to go on working on them, negating. So that is why Bhagavan Bhashyakar took up this portion. Okay. And now we are, I think, ready with the first shloka. Evam Jiva Swarupa Vishaye, about regarding the nature of Jiva, Dehatma Vadam Arabhya, starting from Dehatma Vada, Nirdharmaka Atma Vada Paryantam Matani Pradarshitani. So starting from Dehatma Vada, Charvak Matam, all the way up to Upanishad Mata, which is Nirdharmaka Atma. All of them are presented. Tatra mata bhedena jivatma swarupam dvividham. Jivatma swarupa is two types, anityam, nityam cha. So anuvada I had given yesterday, but word for word we didn't do. Jivatma is anitya also, nitya also. So who accepts Jivatma as anitya? Charvak darshan, or Kshanik Vijnana, they take Jivatma as Anitya. And Nitya Jivatma is all other darshanas. Then Anityam is also Dvividham, Satyam and Mithya. Anityam also will include Shunyavada, and then Anityam is Dvividham, Satyam Mithya, so that Mithya is Shunyavada again. Anitya Mithya. Then Dehatmavadi Prabhutinam, starting from Dehatmavada, Kshanik Vijnanvadi Paryantanam Mate Satyam Anityam Cha. Dehatmavad up to Kshanik Vijnanvad, they say it is Satyam but Anityam. And Madhyamika Mate Mithya Bhutam. It is Mithya. Then Nityam api Dvividham. Parinami Nityam, Kutastha Nityam. Digambaranam Mate means in the Jain philosophy, Parinami Nityam. And Vaisheshikadinam, Upanishad Paryantanam, starting from Vaisheshika up to Vedanta Mata, they say Atma is Kutastha and Nitya. Now we come to the shloka. So I will read, you repeat after me. Na bhumer na toyam na tejo na vayur na kham nendriyam va na tesham samuha anaikantikatvat sushuptyeka siddhas tadeko vashishtah shivah kevaloham na bhumer na toyam na tejo na vayur na khandendriyam va na tesham samuha anaikantikatvat sushuptyeka siddhas tadeko vashishtah shivah kevaloham tadeko vashishtah shivah kevaloham. Shloka is beautiful, but it should hit the main point. In the third pada, your reading is Anaikantikatvat or Anekantikatvat? Two matras are there, right? Huh. In the other reading, in Nyaya Ratnavali, it is only one matra, Anekantikatvat. But Anaikantikatva is correct shabda. Anekanta is not Anaika. Bhava is the Tadhita Pratyaya should be there, I think. So the shloka is very saral. Aham. Aham kaha. So first two padas, they are talking about what I am not. And throughout the Dasha Shloki, this is the format almost, that first two padas will tell what I am not. Third pada will give hetu. And fourth pada will say what I am. So first two padas will say what I am not. Third pada will say why I am not those. And fourth pada will say what I am. So third quarter will be generally the hetu. Na bhumihi. So aham na bhumihi. Bhumihi na aham. In this way you have to understand both ways. Aham na bhumihi. I am not the earth. Earth is not me. Means matter is not me. I am not matter, matter is not me. In this way. Because nobody thinks I am earth. Nobody thinks I am water. It will come in discussion, what kind of negation, why you have to do this kind of negation. See, if you say, we are refuting Charvaka Matam, right? Charvak is the grossest thinking, and they think that I am Sharira and Sharira is four Mahabhuta put together. But they don't say, I am earth, I am water, fire, air separately. They say, I am combination of four Mahabhuta. Mahabhuta Chatushtaya. So here it is said, all are negated separately also, and na tesham samu also. Na bhumihi, I am not earth. Na toyam, I am not water. Na tejaha, I am not fire. Na vayuhu, I am not air. And nakham, also I am not akasha. So in this way, all Mahabhuta, they are negated. Then na indriyam, I am also not sense organs. And na tesham samuha, so I am not samuha of indriya also, pancha mahabhut also, both. Because first matam was dehatmavada, second was indriyatmavada, and third was samuha, all samuha of indriya. Remember, three were pointed out. Body, then each sense organ, and all sense organs put together. So understand, all of these are negated together. Toyam Shabda is Napumsakalinga, all other Shabdas you are familiar with. Why I am not that? So he says Anaikantikatvat. Because all of them have Anaikantikatvam. Anaikantikatva, what does that mean? In Nyaya, this is Nyaya Bhasha, huh? Anaikantikatva. In Tarka Sangraha, I think it comes. Anaikantikatva is a dosha. In Anumana, if you do, like I'll give you example. Parvato Vanniman. Actually, many times we see, mountain on fire. But few days back, you could see fire itself. So then you don't have to do Anumana. You can see Pratyaksha. I don't know if you all saw on Himalaya mountain. But sometimes you see only smoke. So I have taken a picture also of that. When there is only smoke, then you have to do Anumanam. Parvato Vanniman Dhumavatvat. Then Yatra Yatra Dhumaha Tatra Tatra Vanni. This is clear Anuman. Now I will do another Anumana. Parvato Dhumavan Vannimatvat. Parvato Dhumavan Vannimatvat. And what is the Vyapti? Yatra Yatra Vannihi Tatra Tatra Dhumaha. So this Vannimatvam is called Anaikantika Hetu. Anaikantika Hetu means there is Vyabhichara. Vyabhichara is where? In the Vyapti. And that's why we say this Hetu is Vyabhichari. That wherever there is fire, you say there will be smoke, is Vyabhichari Vyapti. So Anaikantikatva means there is Vyabhichara. And Vyabhichara, in this shloka, here Vyabhichara means it is subject to destruction. So wherever you show Vyabhichara means I can refute that. It is subject to negation. It is subject to destruction. So I can destroy that Hetu in that Anumanam. Like that here, the Sharira, Indriya and Indriya Samuha or the Mahabhuta Samuha, Sanghata, they all are Vinashi. Anaikantikatva here means Vinashi. So what is Avinashi? So it is said that which is Sushuptya Ekasiddhaha. By Sushupti it is established. Sushupti Ekasiddhaha. That Ekaha Avashishtaha Shivaha Kevalaha Aham. that I am. Ekaha means advitiya. Avashishta means when all are negated, what remains is sarva nishedhavadi sakshi. When avadhi means sima. So when all are negated, what ends up remaining? Bodharupataya. What will end up remaining will be bodha. Because everything else is negated and there is jnanam that I have negated everything and now nothing is remaining to negate. That jnanam will remain. That jnanam is sakshi, that is bodha. Tadeko vashishtah shivaha kevaloham. Avashishta I explained. So, when everything is negated, that which remains unnegated. Like in Sushupti, Shivaha, most auspicious, Paramananda Swarupa, Kevalaha, Kevala, so Sarva Upadi Rahita, Sarva Bheda Rahita, Sarva Dharma Rahita. Kevaloham. Okay. Now let us see Tika. No, before Tika, Moolam. अस्य अर्थः अहम प्रत्ययावलंबनम. अहम प्रत्ययावलंबनम. So aham, what is aham? Aham is aham pratyaya avalambanam. What is the vishaya of I thought? So when I say I, what it should mean? That is what is meant by the word aham. Clear? What is that? Aham pratyavalambanam. So, like when I say aham asmi, this knowledge, this jnanam, this wisdom, what is the support of this jnanam? So, if I say ghataha or ghatosti, ghataha asti. So that jnanam's vishaya is ghata. So when I say aham asmi, what is the vishaya? So that is what this shloka is revealing. Not only this shloka, entire dasha shloka is going to reveal what is the aham pratyaya avalambanam. For avalambanam, if there is any other word, in Vivek Chudamani also this avalambana shabda has come when Atma is described. I think shloka 125, 126, if you see, it is given there. So, aham pratyaya avalambanam. Aham pratyaya avalambanam. Aham shabda means aham pratyaya avalambanam. In other words, aham pratyaya vishaya, if you want to use that. Just as ghata pratyaya's vishaya is ghata, pata pratyaya's vishaya is pata. Really speaking, aham pratyaya's vishaya is atma. Because of adhyasa, aham pratyaya vishaya becomes some atma plus some anatma. Atma plus some anatma. So that anatma part is what I have to eliminate. What ends up remaining is atma. Siddhadeva ahamityasmat yushmat dharmo nishidhyate. Aham is siddha. But in that, in asmat, there is yushmat which has entered erroneously. So siddhadeva ahamityasmat yushmat dharma nishedha I have to do. Yushmat dharmo nishidhyate. रज्वा इवा हि धीर युक्त्या तत्वमस्यादि शासनैहि. In Rajju, ahidhi has entered. Sarpa buddhi has come. So, Rajva, from that Rajju buddhi, ahi buddhi, I have to remove. And on what strength? Tattvamasi. Tattvamasyadi shasanaihi. And through yukti I have to do. This is the shloka from Upadesha Sahasri Tattvamasi Prakarana. Upadesh Sahasri, entire effort is only on this, to negate ahankara. And this Tattvamasi Prakranam is a big Prakranam. So later in future when you get time, then that also you can study. Okay. So this is aham aham pratyaya avalambanam. Ekaha advitiyaha avashishtaha sarvadvaita badhe api abadhitaha. Avashishta means when all dvaita is negated, that which remains. Shivaha Paramananda Bodha Rupaha. Madhusudan Saraswati ji has used the nice word. Paramananda Bodha Rupaha. So there is Bodha there, there is Ananda there, and Parama is Atma. So it is Bodhatma Ananda. That is Shivaha. Tasyaiva Mangala Rupatvat. That alone is Mangalam. So I should remain rooted in this wisdom. Anything else that I identified is Ashiva. Gaudapadacharya ji, what did he say about Shiva? Tasmad Advaita Shiva, he said. Advaita alone is Shiva. Everything else is Ashiva. Tasyeva Mangala Rupatvat. Kevalo Nirdharmakaha. What is that? Tasmad Advaita Shiva. What is that? You remember the Karika? Bhavai rasad bhire vayam advayena chakalpitaha bhava apyadvayena iva tasmad advaita Shiva. Bhavai rasad bhire vayam advayena chakalpitaha bhava api advayatvena tasmad advaita Shiva. Advaita alone is Shiva. Kevalo nirdharmakaha tena advitiyaha sarva pramana abadhyah. This advitiya is sarva pramana abadhya. Paramananda bodhaha eva aham pratyaya alambanam iti Upanishad paksha eva shreyan itha. This Upanishad matam alone is beautiful. Shreyan means is the best, most auspicious. And anywhere this Advaya Darshanam is most beautiful. Etad upapadanaya itaravadi matani nirakarisyan prathamam dehatmavadam nirakaroti. To do this upapadanam means to establish this. Itaravadi matani nirakarisyan. Itaravadi mata, their nirakaranam, their negation. Nirakarisyan means निराकरण करते हुए, while doing their negation, prathamam dehatmavadam nirakaroti. First, dehatmavada is being refuted. Now you see tika. Prathamamiti dehatmavadasya atituchatvad adau tannirakaranam. Why first this dehatmavada nirakaranam is done? Atitucha, most insignificant. But remember, even see, if it was something which was unnecessary, Bhagavan Bhashyakar would not write shlokas, or in other granthas also, they would not mention this Charvak Darshan and take effort to refute it. It is ati tuchha, but it is very prevalent. And therefore, its nirakaranam is required. So that is done. Now, so this up to this is all easy part. Now we are entering into some technicalities. Nanu yatha shuktau rajatam iti pratyeti bhrantaha tatha charvako natmani deha iti pratyeti. Just as a Bhranta Purusha, in Shuktika he sees Rajatam. Shuktau Rajatam iti pratyeti. Just as a Bhranta person sees silver in the shell, in Shukti he sees Rajatam. So how does he express? He says Idam Rajatam. दिस इज रजतम प्रत्येति। तथा इन द सेम वे चार्वाको न आत्मनि देह इति प्रत्येति। दिस चार्वाक डजंट से इन आत्मा दैट आई एम देह। आत्मनि देह इति न प्रत्येति। वाई? आत्मनः प्रतीति अभाव प्रसंगात। इफ ही सेज दिस वे, देन atma's pratiti will not be there. He says deha aham. So in aham, if there is deha, understand this, in atma, aham means atma. In atma, if there was deha bhanam, then just as in shuktika there is rajat bhanam, that rajat bhanam eliminates shuktika bhanam. So like that, in atma, if there is deha bhanam, then aham deha, this bhavana should not be there. Pratiti should be only deha, just as there is rajatam. Aham deha, this should not be there. But atma's pratiti is there. Atmanah pratiti abhav prasangat. But atma's pratiti is there. Napi dehe atma iti pratyeti. Not only that, in deha atma pratiti, dehe atma iti pratiti api is not there. So na dehe atma iti pratyeti. Pratyeti means that kind of pratiti, this kind of cognition is not there. Why? If that would happen, then what will happen? Dehasya pratiti abhav prasangat. Then deha pratiti would not be there. So two vikalpas are created. First, that drishtanta is clear. In shukti, when rajata jnanam takes place, shukti jnanam is not there. Purva Pakshi is saying. So in the same way, there are two options. One is in atma deha pratiti. So you see, atmani deha. Atmani is saptami vibhakti, seventh case. Atmani deha. Second vikalpa is dehe atma. Deha is saptami. He says both of them are not happening. Neither in atma there is deha buddhi, nor in deha there is atma buddhi. Because in one, if you have another buddhi, then that locus should be hidden. So if in atma, if there is deha buddhi, then atmanah pratiti abhava prasanga will come, which is not there. And in deha, if atma pratiti is there, then dehasya pratiti abhava prasanga should come. But that is also not there. On the other hand, kintu dehatmanor mitho yo bhedaha tatra abheda iti pratyeti. But on the other hand, dehatmano mitho means mutual, parasparam. The body and atma, their mutual bheda which is there, distinction which is there, tatra abheda, there is abheda. Means I am not able to distinguish deha and atma. So it is not that in deha there is atma buddhi or in atma there is deha buddhi. For Charvak, he knows there is atma, he knows there is deha. Deha atmanoho yo bhedaha tatra abheda. That bheda is gone. I mean, there are two in that case. Tathacha, up to this is clear. Tathacha yatha rajata brahma nivrityartham nedam rajatam ityuchyate. So just as in idam rajatam, that bhranti when it is there, then to remove that brahma, we have to say nedam rajatam. So yatha rajata brahma nivrityartham nedam rajatam ityuchyate tatha atra na anayoho abheda iti vaktavyam. Then you should say there is no abheda between two. Means deha is different, atma is different. In this way you should say iti vaktavyam. Iti katham acharyaihi न भूमिर इत्यादि उच्यते अतः आह. Uchyate ata aha. Huh? Avagraha is not there. So then why Acharya had to say, I am not Bhumi, I am not Toyam, ityadi? Means for Brahma Nivritti, he should say, both of them are not one. Deha is different, Atma is different. Now you see in Moolam. न भूमिर न तोयम न तेजो न वायुर न खम इति अत्र अहम इति सर्वत्र प्रत्येकम नया संबध्यते. अत्र अहम इति सर्वत्र प्रत्येकम नया संबध्यते. नया, व्हाट इज नया? नए शब्द, हाँ, तृतीया एकवचनम. विथ दैट नय, so न भूमि ही न तोयम न तेज न वायु न खम, and all of them have to go with aham. Aham iti sarvatra pratyekam naya sambandha. Aham na bhumi hi, aham na toyam, aham na teja. In this way you have to connect. Ya bhumi hi soham na bhavami, yoham sa bhumir na bhavati. इति च परस्पर तादात्म्य अभावो द्रष्टव्य. या भूमि ही, व्हाट इज भूमि, अर्थ, सोहम न भवामि, आई एम नॉट दैट. यो हम, एंड व्हाट आई एम, सा भूमिर न भवति, दैट इज नॉट अर्थ. सो दिस इति च परस्पर तादात्म्य अभाव, दैट म्यूचुअल सुपर इम्पोजिशन. Tadatmya here means tadatmya adhyasa. Mutual superimposition abhava should be seen, that I am distinct, these Panchamahabhutas are distinct. To begin with, this is how I have to understand. So, instead of Bhumi and all, then we have to put our name there. So, I am not this Swami Bodhatmanand, and Swami Bodhatmananda is not. There was one Mahatma, he was not feeling well. So somebody asked him, Mahatma ji, कैसे हो? आपका स्वास्थ्य कैसा है? How is your health now? But स्वास्थ्य शब्द is good, you know, स्वास्थ्य. Swasmin avasthanam is there or not? So Mahatma said, जिसका स्वास्थ्य खराब है वो मैं नहीं हूँ. The one whose health is not good is not me. और जहाँ तक मेरा सवाल है, and as far as I am concerned, my health has never gone bad. I am Achyuta. So this kind of wisdom should be there. Like, you know, when this corona report tests happen and then report, or any other blood test is there or any other test, people say report will come. So in that test or in the report, they say, you know, it is negative. So when we hear it is negative, so we say, what about you? So I say, I am negative or I am positive. Remember, when I say negative or positive, one thing is very clear, adhyasa is accepted. I have already accepted that I am deha. Then in that deha, if there is something, then I say that is me. So, all praman, prameya, vyavahara, laukika, vaidika, everything takes adhyasa for granted. Adhyasam puraskritya eva sarvam bhavanti. All vyavaharas, they begin with adhyasa. So that is where if we don't hit and correct it, all other sadhanas, ahankara says, you go on doing whatever you want to do. Just don't touch me, don't bother me. Ya bhumi so aham na bhavami, jo aham sa bhumir na bhavati. टीका. या भूमिरिति अयम भावः न भूमिरिति एकम वाक्यम एवं न तोयम इत्यादीनि अपि भिन्नानि वाक्यानि. न भूमि इज वन सेंटेंस, देन न तोयम इज अनदर सेंटेंस. So you have to understand so many things. Na bhumihi aham, na toyam aham, na tejo aham. Each is separate sentence. These tikakars, they love, whatever Bhagavan Shankaracharya said, they elaborate nicely. एवं न तोयम इत्यादीनि अपि भिन्नानि वाक्यानि. अहम इति अस्य च सर्वेषु वाक्येषु संबंधः. एंड अहम, दिस वर्ड हैज संबंध विथ ऑल वाक्य. सो न भूमि अहम, न तोयम अहम, न तेजो अहम. इन दिस या भूमि स नाहम इत्यर्थः. भूमिम उद्दिश्य अहम अर्थ भेदो, अहम अर्थ अभेदो निषिध्यते. सो भूमि बिकम्स उद्देश्य एंड द अभेद इज निगेटेड. सो भूमिम और भूमि नाहम, सो दैट अभेद वननेस इज रेफ्यूटेड. अस्यैव वाक्यस्य आवृत्त्या उद्देश्य विधेय भाव वैपरीत्येन च योहम सा न भूमि रीति द्वितीयो अर्थः. सेम वाक्य वेयर यू चेंज द उद्देश्य एंड विधेय. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाट इज उद्देश्य विधेय. सो फर्स्ट वाक्य, व्हाट वाज द उद्देश्य? भूमि ही नाहम. इन दैट उद्देश्य वाज भूमि, right? It we already said bhumim uddishya. And aham artha was videya. Videya here means it was nishedhyate, nishedha mukha, because na aham, like that. Now in the second one will be aham, uddeshya will become aham, and videya will be bhumi, means nishedha. Aham na bhumi, like that. So asyeva vakyasya avritya, by avriti means by repeating it, by changing uddeshya and videya, uddeshya videya bhava vaiparityena cha yoham sa na bhumi riti dvitiyo arthah. अत्र अहम अर्थम उद्दिश्य भूमि अभेदो निषिध्यते. सो अहम अर्थ इज उद्दिश्य एंड भूमि अभेद इज दैट माय वननेस विथ भूमि इज निगेटेड. तथा च न अनयोर अभेद इति फलितं भवति. एंड इन दिस वे अनयोः अभेद, अनयोः कयोः? अहम भूम्योः और देह. अहम भूमि मीन्स अहम देह. बिटवीन दीज टू दी अभेद is to be negated. So I have to constantly remember Deha Atma, that I have to negate. Bhumi also. Iti phalitam bhavati. न तोयम इत्यादि वाक्येष्वपि एवं एवं व्याख्येयम. And then न तोयम, then same. न तेजो. So both ways we have to see. I am not fire, I am not water, water is not me. I am not fire, fire is not me. I am not Panchamahabhuta, Sanghat also you can say. I am not Panchamahabhuta, Panchamahabhuta is not me. That is the next Vakya. Sanghatasya eva iti. देह आकारेण परिणतः पृथिव्यादि भूत चतुष्टय संघात एव आत्मा इति चार्वाक सिद्धांत. बिकॉज चार्वाक नेवर सेड वी आर वन एलिमेंट. चार्वाक सेड पृथिव्यादि भूत चतुष्टय संघात एव आत्मा. सो यू से आई एम नॉट भूत चतुष्टय संघात. इफ समबडी सेज नो नॉट भूत चतुष्टय, पंच महाभूत, यू से दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट मी. I am not Panchamahabhuta, Panchamahabhuta is not me. In this way, we have to go on negating this Anatma identity. Moolam. Ya bhumihi, that Vakya we saw. यद्यपि वादिना प्रत्येकं भूम्यादेरात्मत्वं नाभ्युपेयते संघातस्यैव तदभ्युपगमात्. यद्यपि वादिना चार्वाक सिद्धांत, they never said pratyekam bhume adehe atmatvam. They never said I am bhumi, I am teja, I am. But they said sanghatasya eva, I am sanghata. Sanghatasya eva tad abhyupagamat. Tathapi, still, tanmate avayava avayavi anangikarat. In their matam, that there is one avayavi to whom all these avayavas belong. Avayavi anangikarat. Panchama tattva abhyupagama prasangena cha sanyogadi sambandha anabhyupagamat samhantuhu abhavacha संघातो न उपपद्यत इति अभिप्रेत्य प्रत्येक भूत निराकरणेन भौतिक देहात्मवादो निराकृतः. Multiple hetus are given here by Madhusudan Saraswati. Tathapi, from there up before that, tathapi is clear, that much vakya, right? संघातस्य एव तद अभ्युपगमात् तथापि तन्मते, in their matam तन्मते means चार्वाक मते अवयवी अनंगीकारात् पंचम तत्व अभ्युपगम प्रसंगेन. Avayavi anangikarat. Avayavi angikara is not, means they have not accepted that there is one avayavi to whom all these avayavas belong. That they have not accepted. So, avayavi anangikarat, elaboration we'll see in the next session. Avayavi anangikarat. Panchama tattva abhyupagama prasangena. Panchama tattva means a fifth entity they have to accept, because sanyogadi sambandha anabhyupagamat samhantur abhavacha. They don't accept sanyoga sambandha. See, they are pratyaksha pramanavadi. So the sanyoga between four elements, sanyoga sambandha, also they don't accept. So how they accept sanghata is not really possible. That's why here each is separately refuted. And संयोगादि संबंध अनभ्युपगमात् संहन्तुः अभावाच्च संघात न उपपद्यते. And samhantu means the one who does the sanghata. Sanghata creator is called samhantuhu. So there is no such chaitanya entity, and therefore iti abhipretya, seeing this, pratyeka bhuta nirakaranena, each bhuta is negated, and by negating each bhuta, bhautika dehatmavado nirakritah. The bhautika dehatmavada is also negated. Next session we will see the detail of this. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.